What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining. Today's video, I got a fun install. I'm getting rid of some chrome off of the truck, so I'm really excited about that. But I also wanted to kind of just give you guys an update. I have recently moved, so it's kind of, this is going to be my first video back, although I got another install project done on the truck. Maybe you can see it. Just a little quick flash. But if you've been following like my Instagram or my Parlor, you'll probably already know what I have on the truck that I'll have up in a video shortly or soon. But right now, I'm going to do a quick install video and get rid of some chrome in the taillights. Stay tuned. Alright, what I got here in the box is new taillights. These are from Depot. I'm going to clear these out a little bit. I can show you what I got. So pretty good packaging that they come in, but here are the lights. So I'm not going the LED, I'm not doing the, aftermarket style. What I'm doing is I'm just doing the all black housing, clear TRD Pro Style tail lights. And I'm actually pretty stoked about this. It gets rid of the chrome that's typically around the lip here and still keeping everything. Now if you look on the back, it actually comes with all of the lights. The light plugs are already in there, but you still have all the bulbs that come with. So let's get these installed. Alright, now that we're ready to install the new tail lights, let's go over this again. We're going to be removing this and the bottom of the 10 mil. That releases the tail light. And then remember, I have a tendency to grab underneath and maybe even up to the side, but around the corner here, and we're just going to pull straight back. And that releases the tail light front with these tabs here. Now, the tricky part. Going to be getting all, but as you can see here, we got the chrome. We're putting on the black, getting rid of that chrome except for what's in the reverse light. I am going to just reuse the stock bulbs on the install. They should line up. They line up, so I can just reuse that. Next I'll go ahead and just push these back in. And reinstall the 10 mil bolts. Alright, so let me bring you around. Here's what we got rid of. We got rid of that chrome. I mean, the gunmetal looks nice, but you can't accent it with the chrome. Now that looks so much better. And it goes with the theme of the truck. I got black and red all throughout the truck. Now the only chrome is going to be the reverse light and then that little strip up in the headlight. But I can live with that. But now I'm excited to get the other side done. So here we go. Bring it in closer here so you can see what I'm doing. So we've got all the lights plugged in. We're going to line up our pegs into the holes, the brackets here. And if these do come out, don't worry. You'll just you'll take them off the nub here. Make sure you pop them back in before putting the tail light back. So here we go. We'll line those nubs up. Pop those in just like that. Make sure that we're aligned here. Get that one started. Push this one in, get that one started. Take our wrench. Cinch that back up, and our chrome is gone. I do like the fact that I get an extra set of the bulbs and connections that go with the taillight in case I have any issues. With the taillights that I did take off, the stock taillights, I don't know, maybe I'll do a giveaway for them. I'm getting really close to 100, and man, I am grateful that you guys are sticking with me on these installs, and I'm glad that you guys are joining. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for getting me closer to 100. I'd love to hit 150, even more, by the end of the year. And I mean, it's December. Who knows what can happen. So at 100, I think I might do a giveaway. At 150, maybe I'll give the taillights away. 200, who knows? We'll see what happens. But thanks again. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and consider subscribing for more videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.